There are a lot of gaming headsets on the market, but one that constantly comes up as a bestseller or Amazon's choice is a brand called Nubwo. Today we're going to be looking at Amazon's bestseller of the Nubwo products, the Nubwo N7. So right off the bat, we have the specifications. Now, a lot of these are also written in Chinese because Nubwo is a Chinese company. And when you open the box, you find the user guide, which is also written in Chinese. There's also an adapter in case you have a two-pronged input for your headphones and mic jack. These are typically for older computers though. And now for the main event, the actual unwrapping of the headphones. It's pretty easy, and once you unwrap them, you can see a very nice cord. Believe it or not, the cord was actually a motivation for me to get this specific pair of headsets because it actually looks durable. Another big selling point are the cushions for the headphones, and yes, they are as big as they look and very comfy. One downside is the on and off switch for the microphone is actually on the microphone, which means that you don't have a separate switch on the cord or something easily accessible, so I usually have to leave the windscreen off. So the rest of the headset has sort of a metal feel to it, and the headband fits really well to my head. But now is the real test, the sound test, and the actual gaming test. Okay, so this is just a generic microphone test. This is a good distance, I've noticed, to keep the microphone. If it's too close, you have a lot of this interference. So you want to have it about this distance, and anytime you're touching the microphone, it is going to give you more interference as well. In contrast, this is the audio from my previous headset, which was about $20 and is 2 to 3 years old. Okay, this is an example of how everything would sound when you have your headset plugged in to the PS4 remote and how it would sound online. Lastly, I just want to say I was not paid by Nubwo to make this video, but I do have links in the description if you're interested in buying one of these products. If you use my links, you'll actually be supporting my channel with no extra cost to you, so I would really appreciate it. Also, if you have any other questions, just leave them in the comments down below. I'll do my best to answer them, and until next time, this is Carson Frisky, signing off.